How to underline in Google Docs without text. Hi everyone, this is Rose, and here I'm here to guide you how to underline in Google Docs without text in easy way. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open a browser on your device. Sign into the account. Click Google Apps at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, click Docs, and this will open or get access to the Google Docs. Now choose new documents by clicking on blank document, or you can choose any one you would like to. So underlining in Google Docs without text is very easy and simple. Simply, the first step is you need to press Shift on your keyboard and then you need to press underscore on your keyboard as well. In this way, you can easily add underline in Google Docs without text. The other thing you can easily do is simply you can click on Insert tab at top of the screen and here you got the horizontal line. Simply click on horizontal line and the underline has already been appeared to your Google Docs without text. So this is where the two steps that help you to underline in Google Docs without text. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.